My name is Kevin. Like many others in my school, I dreamed of speaking English fluently one day. I had big dreams. I wanted to travel, study abroad, and make friends from all over the world. But like many learners, I found English challenging. That's when I overheard my teacher talking about artificial intelligence, AI. It was said that AI was changing the way people learned languages. Full of curiosity, I decided to explore the potential of AI for myself. I didn't know it yet, but this decision would take me on a life-changing adventure. Discovering Duolingo, the vocabulary journey. My journey began with a simple app, Duolingo. A friend of mine, Lily, had been using it for months. "Kevin, you have to try this," Lily said excitedly. "It's like a game, but the AI behind it is really smart. It adapts to what you know and don't know, so you never feel lost." I downloaded Duolingo, and from the moment I started, I was hooked. The app used AI to create personalized lessons just for me. If I struggled with certain words, the AI would repeat them in different ways until I mastered them. What really surprised me was how the AI kept me motivated. If I missed a day, the app would send reminders like, "Don't give up, your streak awaits." Plus, I received rewards whenever I reached milestones. After a month of consistent practice, I realized something incredible. I had memorized over 300 new words effortlessly. The AI-powered app turned vocabulary learning into a fun and engaging game. Elsa Speak, Mastering Pronunciation with AI. Even though my vocabulary was growing, speaking English out loud still made me nervous. One day, my teacher introduced me to an app called Elsa Speak. It was like having a personal speech coach in my pocket. The AI could listen to how I spoke, analyze it, and give immediate feedback. When I first tried Elsa Speak, I was amazed. I started with simple words like water and cat, and the AI listened to every sound I made. If I mispronounced a word, Elsa would pinpoint the exact mistake and guide me to correct it. After practicing a few times, the AI celebrated my progress with confetti. As I improved, Elsa Speak challenged me with longer sentences. For example, the AI had me practice, "The weather is beautiful today," and helped me perfect my pronunciation. Within weeks, my speaking skills improved so much that I felt comfortable talking with friends in English. Grammarly, from basic sentences to fluent writing. I always loved writing stories, but I was unsure about my grammar. One day I needed to write an essay, and I felt nervous about making mistakes. That's when I found Grammarly. It wasn't just a simple spell checker. It used AI to analyze my entire writing and offered suggestions to improve clarity, tone, and style. I submitted my essay to Grammarly, and the AI went beyond just fixing typos. For instance, when I wrote, "I feel very happy today," the AI suggested, "I am overjoyed today," making my writing more expressive. The AI also helped me restructure sentences to make them flow better. Over time, Grammarly guided me from writing simple sentences to creating more polished work. I became proud of my writing, even starting to write short stories in English with confidence. Conversations with Replika, talking with an AI friend. One day, while looking for ways to practice conversations, I stumbled upon an app called Replika. It claimed to have real, meaningful conversations, so I was curious. I downloaded Replika and began chatting with the AI, which asked me questions like, "How was your day?" And what's your favorite hobby? To my surprise, Replika didn't just give robotic answers. It remembered things I told it, like my love for reading, and asked follow-up questions. Our conversations even covered deeper topics like current events and movies, all while helping me practice English. As I chatted with Replika daily, my ability to hold conversations in English improved significantly. I felt like I had a supportive friend who was always ready to chat. Habitica, the AI that turned learning into a real-life adventure. As my English skills grew, I realized staying motivated and organized was key. That's when I found Habitica, an app that turned learning into an adventure. Habitica wasn't just any AI, it gamified the learning experience. The AI helped me set goals, break them into tasks, and rewarded me when I completed them. I set up daily goals like learn 10 new words, practice with Elsa Speak, and write a paragraph using Grammarly. For every task I completed, I earned virtual coins and experience points, which allowed my character to level up and unlock new items. The best part? I could invite friends to join me on learning quests. Together, we completed challenges by reaching our study goals, making learning English feel like an exciting adventure. By using AI effectively, I transformed my English learning experience. With Duolingo, I mastered vocabulary. Elsa Speak gave me confidence in speaking. Grammarly improved my writing. Replika became my conversational partner, and Habitica turned studying into an adventure. Through dedication and consistency, AI helped me unlock my full potential, and I'm ready for all the English-speaking adventures the world has to offer.